Hello everyone again. I will try to keep the smiling face even though it's difficult for me to be in front of the camera and then keeping smile on your face. Actually, it's very great a bit to be in front of the camera and to balance your facial expression anyway. So this is not the case. The case is that today I will talk about internship opportunities in different countries. Actually, about internship, I think that you can get more information. You can get a lot of information about internships by only searching for them in the Google. But I did a little bit research about internship, and then I found two most important of them, which is a bit broad and gives you more chances to do your internship abroad. So first of all, what is internship? Internship is usually a kind of work experience for you for your future work. It doesn't usually pay money, but it usually provide you with some kind of finance that enables you to live abroad and pay your own expenses. But some of internship also pays salary too. So first internship opportunity is provided by Erasmus Internship program. Erasmus Internship is part of Erasmus program, and it usually and there is a kind of organization look for candidates to fulfill some kind of projects, and that's why they put the vacancy in the portal of Erasmus Internship. And I will provide you with this website that you can find internship opportunities in the website Erasmus, and you can apply for them by yourself. Actually, it doesn't. It is not so easy to apply for them actually because it takes usually time. And first of all, you have to contact with your university in order to get more information about Erasmus internship opportunities. If you don't have if you don't have this chance, namely your university doesn't have somebody who can give you information about the Erasmus internship, then you can go to the website itself and then apply for the internships and then go on the process. I will not tell you more about how to apply because I think that it is very easy for you if you go to the website itself and then read instruction. It will give you much more detailed information than I can give you now. The next one is IAESTE internship. IAESTE internship is I think it's bigger than Erasmus internship, but difference is even though IAESTE is bigger than Erasmus itself, IAESTE is a bit focused on the specific areas. Namely, Erasmus is for everybody, namely everybody from specific countries. It must be 33 kind of 34 countries of Erasmus program, but IAESTE is for over 80 countries in the world, and then it provides internship opportunities for the students in science and only IT. So the students of this two field can apply for internship, and additionally IAESTE is paid internship. Usually you get your salary while you are doing your internship. And second of all, you can travel around the world by doing your internship. For example, recently I saw one guy from Czech Republic. He went to Thailand and he did his internship in Thailand up to 1 year. So it doesn't matter wherever you are, which country you are, you can apply for this internship opportunities provided by IAESTE, and you can get chance of living abroad and working for any kind of company and earning money, and most importantly you can earn very good experience for your future career. I think that there is not much to say about these programs because there are more information again about both of them in the internet. I can just direct you to the website itself, and then you can do the rest of the process by yourself. And I will provide you with I will give you the links that is related to the websites that I talked about, and you can go to the description section. Description section is where you can click on the name of the video, and then you will find that there is a kind of opening section that is this description section. In this description section you can find more information about these programs, and then the useful links that can take you where you can find more information. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that it will be useful for you for your future internship opportunities. Have a nice day.